One-time activity of copying brand area from floor PDF layout to be printed. There will be 3 category-wise spiral binding. First, men's. Second, ladies. Third, kids, footwear and non-apps. Layout detailing, observation and action taken to be jotted down with pencil to reuse the paper on next scheduled SM walk for brand. This walk to be done fixture by fixture and each display unit within the brand. Mall sales, freshness and sell-through reports shared by HO to be customized by zonal FAC restrict only to the stores of the zone before sharing with SM. SM desktop to have folder of SM walk to facilitate walk around. Week-wise folder to have SOH, sell-through and freshness weekly reports saved in SM desktop. Daily observation and action plan to be recorded in the defined format. Daily 5 brands scheduled for review. 2 men's, 1 ladies, 1 kids and 1 accessories or footwear brand. Brands scheduled for the month will be shared with the store in advance by 25th of every month. SM walk is classified into 3 parts: generic walk, brand walk, warehouse walk. Generic walk. Check for cleanliness of VM elements like facade hoarding. Flex and vinyl are intact and not peeled off or faded. Any deviation to be noted and to get it fixed through maintenance and housekeeping for minor damages. Check for cleanliness, VM element like updated docket and availability of stocks, highlighted on mannequin in window display. Review VM and stock as per shared VM guidelines for entrance communication and center cluster. SM to review dusting on fixtures, hangers and customer touchpoints like customer service desk, cash counters, drinking water, alteration room and common aisle of the store.
Let's check the hygiene now. Get this cleared.
Housekeeping.
Let's check another rack. It's clean. Good.
SM to review cobwebs, any paint chip off or similar irregularities. Lights are lit as per peak and off-peak hour. AC cooling is comfortable for customer. HU room is cleaned without any obstruction and AC filter is periodically cleaned by maintenance. Trial room cleanliness is maintained. And should not have any merchandise lying. Hourly clearance routine rota to check with the floor DM. Hanging merchandise to be steamed. Washroom to be dry. Hand wash to be available and should not be stinking of any foul smell. Fire and safety SOP to be ensured. Fire exit doors to be free of any kind of obstacle. Brand walk. Display view. SM to visit the brand scheduled on the day. SM to have overall view of the brand against fixture layout. Brand area or corner not to have any unwanted cartons. Packing material. Broken or excess hanger lying on the floor. SM to review every fixture of the brand area as per layout. Example, if a brand is carrying 1 nesting table, 2 4-way browsers, one side of gondola, 3 panels of wall space with the combination of hanging and stacking. Display to be first defined as option-wise or size-wise for scheduled brand. Option-wise display. Any option carrying more than 3 sizes to be displayed option-wise. Full options as per standard size ratio to be displayed on wall, and balance to be kept in warehouse for replenishment. Full option to have story basis on color, prints, style, stock, etc. or based on updated docket shared. SM to refer freshness report to validate option count on sales flow and also check in warehouse for any missing option.
These are cut sizes.
Yes, sir.
We have a stock in the small size.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is properly arranged.
Yes, sir. The size range.
We have to speak with Javed for the stock in t-shirts.
Okay, sir.
SM to review option above or equal to 3 sizes in an option to check whether all options are displayed on floor. For missing option on floor, check freshness report and get it from warehouse.
Good evening, Manishri. Ratmesh, have you done brand analysis of this brand?
Yes, sir. We have done.
As per freshness report, there are 24 options which is in full set.
यस सर हम लोग को 18 ऑप्शंस मिल चुके हैं बाकी के रिमेनिंग है
We have to find remaining options as well.
Eligible short restricting out of the
Let me verify with missing options.
काही तू फिर टर्न केलंस तिकडे जा ॲक्टिव्हिटी करत राहा.
Yes, Ratmesh. These are mapped in denim and we have found 4 options. I have to inform FEC on this and it might be case in other stores as well. Ratmesh, is this option wise?
Yes, sir.
There are only 2 sizes in this. It can't be option wise. It should be size wise.
Okay.
Assorted and size-wise display. 2 and below sizes in an option to be considered as assorted product. 1 size, 1 fixture along with size stalker to be displayed on browser arm and shelves. Assorted product to be arranged as per color blocking, pattern, sleeves and style. Fast moving sizes to be displayed at front or at hot location as per size-wise inventory report. Browser should have accessibility from all sides to browse and take out merchandise. Merchandise hanging direction to be on the same side with hangers.
The sizes are mixed. Kindly correct them immediately. Let's say talk about this. Yogesh, you need to mention the fit of the denim in Shelf Talker.
Yes, sir. We are in process. 2 घंटे में हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Periodic docket for MTO brands will be shared by HO team, which has to be executed and audited during SM walk. Fixture display capacity on shelves, browser arms, straight arm or step arms to be stacked or hanged as per fixture display SOP. Only black hangers to be used. Broken hangers to be scrapped if lying within the brand. VM docket for the brand to be adhered. Ensure promo signages are implemented as per current promo docket.
How many shirts we have here? 59. How many we have packed in the brand yesterday? 20. 20 shirts. Can you show me your packer? Good.
Review open shirts refurbishment is done with packing material and only trial shirts are opened.
As per SOP, how much quantity we should have on this arm?
16, sir.
Can you remove the excess stock?
Yes, sir.
Brand refresh. Wall elevation to be reviewed and interchanged every 15 days. Full options as per standard size ratio to be displayed on wall and create story basis on color, prints, style, etc.
I do. Which is non-moving option in this shirt? This pattern is non-moving. Can you show me? I think we should highlight this stuff. This is the USP of the product. So this shirt should be hanged. Okay. And anyways your band looks very monotonous. It's a very basic kind of display. We need a refresh. So switch to hanging. Some of the shirt should be hanged.
How is this, sir?
It's better. Let's track the performance of these shirts.
Option locations to be changed front to back and vice versa. Browsers to be rotated to bring back review to front and front to back.
Which are the slow cover options in the brand?
These two options are not going fast.
Have you checked the USP of the product?
Sure, sir.
Have you checked the USP of the product?
Yes, sir. The product is high in fashion and stacking display. Customers are not able to see stack.
I think we should change the display from stacking to hanging. Can you get the same animated?
आप लेके चले गए और आप निकल गए.
Damaged and defective, soiled or set mismatch to be checked and removed if any lying at the sales floor.
Neha, this is defective product. Can you put a defective tag on this?
Okay, sir.
Hi Neha, is it done?
Yes, sir. Sir, give me a signature. Thank you, sir.
SM to sign off staff pocket diary and review ABP, achievement maintained and DM validating it on daily basis. SM to review bills and value contributed by the staffs.
Hi Sunil. What is the sales performance for the week?
I have noted down this in my pocket diary.
Can I see your target card?
Yes, sir.
Good to see all details captured.
Inventory view. SOH versus displayed quantity to be checked through sell-through report to review system versus SOH and displayed quantity. From sell-through report, SM to select brand scheduled, option column, MTO low sell-through, last 5 weeks sales quantity and 5 weeks sell-through percentage.
Hi, Shabina. I've been in brand index of this brand. How many options of base stock we have in this brand?
As per the report, we have 135 options,
Okay.
but we have found only 89 options.
But we have to check remedy as well.
Yes, sir, we check it in Venice.
And how many options we have in Ektara?
Tara, we have 18 options, sir.
Have you found all of them?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me?
Yeah, sure.
Good.
We have these all options, sir.
18 options we have found. And how we have displayed cut sizes, assorted ones?
Sir, cut sizes हम यहाँ पे display.
Can you show me?
Yes, sir. सर ये सब हमने साइज वाइज रखा है.
Okay. तो हमने इसका साइजेस चेक किया है.
हाँ सर, सर.
Low sell-through options to be reviewed considering SOH availability and display on the floor. Low sell-through options to be given prominence on wall space and change the elevation if it is displayed on the same place or fixture more than 15 days. Slow movers full options SOH if not found as per system, stock to be checked in warehouse and take it on the sales floor.
मैं देखा हाँ आप पूछा
Yogesh,
Yes, sir.
as per our sell-through report, there are 4 options which is not moving well. Can you please show me those 4 options?
So this side.
हाँ या गली जिला जाओ सर उनके पीछे.
These are 4 options. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
What is the response post doing this?
So now we're getting good response.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Net margin focus review of high, mid and low brands mix considering the focus to increase the sales mix of high margin brand.
Yogesh, can you show me your high margin product display?
Sure, sir. Come in.
These 8 options are having high margin. We have display 4 here and we have display 4 here. What is the net margin on this product?
It was 45%.
SM to ensure display as per racking capacity. Masking has to be done for low inventory brand space. The wall should have same brand stocks displayed and floor fixtures to have similar merchandise category from other brand. High quantity in single option. Only 2 quantity per size to be displayed. Balance should be kept under the option or in warehouse for replenishment. Parallel information to be given to category team for IST or increase discount for liquidation. Hanging display to be increased once all stocks brought on floor from warehouse.
Rohit, display quantity of this option looks very high.
We have got limited stock in this option.
Display only 2 sides, but please shift remaining stock in the warehouse or in the rack.
हाँ सर अब वही रैक में चले जाइए. रोहित जी आप करेक्ट कर रहे हो सब. हाँ बस चले.
Brand stocks to be kept in brand area and excess stock to be displayed in other brands where inventory level is low. Any slow mover identified to be highlighted to category team on weekly basis and mention it in action plan sheet. Check variance in global count sheet conducted for the previous week. High variance to be validated and checked at sales flow and warehouse. Warehouse walk. SM to make a sketch diagram of warehouse as per slotted angles count. Allocate warehouse units into MTO, transfer and liquidation. Allocate warehouse floor space into replenishment area, inward area, tagging area, RTV area, damage and defective area or any other area as per requirement. Brand name to be mentioned with pencil as per stocked brands in units on the sketch. Brand labels to be mentioned on units in the warehouse as per brand stocked. For option stocks, entire stocks to be made into option and placed option-wise on shelves. For assorted stock, display size-wise and use size stockers for ease of replenishment. Warehouse to be always carton-free. If any carton boxes are stocked, then the same has to be labeled mentioning reason, brand name and quantity and signed by SM with a date.